Deep in North Florida's pine country, the Tiger Cat 2000 on the 720E moves like a seasoned veteran. Its shear head slices clean, no wasted fuel, no screaming steel, just pure, quiet power. Where disc saws struggle, this beast makes it look effortless, day after day, tree after tree. Crushing stumps like a true powerhouse, the CBI Stump Shear SS20 rips through the toughest roots. Don't be fooled by age. This refurbished Husqvarna 371 XP still bites like new, firing up fast, cutting through hardwood with pro-level torque. Half the price, all the power. Not just a backup saw, a daily workhorse for tough jobs. Meet Eve and Holly, two Brabant mares built like living engines. On a freezing 34-degree winter day, they pull a 2-ton log truck through snow without breaking a sweat. Strength, grace, and teamwork. Pure horsepower. Through ice and mud, a heavy timber truck fights on, wheels spinning, engine roaring, refusing to quit. In the heart of winter, struggle turns to sheer determination. The Vermeer WC23000XL isn't just a wood chipper, it's a production powerhouse. Efficient, relentless, and fuel-smart, it devours timber in seconds. Industrial precision at its best. The Tatra Phoenix 8x8 charges through snowy forests like a force of nature, hauling timber and crushing ice with unstoppable confidence. True strength versus winter's toughest challenge. The Carlton SP1015 redefines stump grinding. Its 66 horsepower turbo diesel engine and track system make short work of rough terrain, chewing through hardwood with precision and speed. Pure efficiency in motion. A brave trio holds their ground as a massive tree falls. But gravity has the final say. One thunderous crash later, courage turns to costly repairs. The RT120 isn't just clearing trees, it's rewriting the rules of forestry. With 120 horsepower and unmatched hydraulic torque, it slices through hardwood like paper. Compact, agile, and brutally efficient. The Posh Shell Proy with circular saw attachment takes log cutting to perfection, turning rough timber into smooth poles in seconds. Adjustable speed, clean cuts, flawless handling. A daring move. A heavy truck and a tractor inch across a fragile bridge. One wrong move could spell disaster. Will they make it? All eyes on the giant. Cameras roll. Adrenaline spikes. The massive tree is coming down. Precision or chaos? Watch and find out. That chainsaw isn't just cutting wood. It's cutting through time itself. The mighty sequoia stands no chance against expert hands. Precision cuts. Perfect math. Raw nature tamed by human skill. A breathtaking balance of power and finesse. A lone logger faces a forest giant. The chainsaw roars. The forest holds its breath. Precision meets power in a moment of pure mastery. The Savannah 1720, paired with a John Deere 150K, obliterates stumps with ease, clearing up to 40 acres a day, turning back-breaking labor into pure precision. The Unimog U2100 digs in and doesn't quit. Raw torque when traction tearing through the forest. Built for battle, built to win. A bulldozer pulls a fully loaded log truck through near impossible terrain. Precision and control transform chaos into choreography. Skill forged in grit.